Good Friday evening, everybody. Allison Rauch, Public Information Coordinator with Greer CPW, here to provide you an update as we work to restore services after Tropical Storm Helene. As you can see, it is dark. Our crews are still out monitoring, clearing debris from our lines. Just wanted to come back and give you an update. I've been having some cell phone issues, so I'm having to come back to our office to get on the Wi-Fi, but I just spent some time out on Suba Road and Hammett Bridge as we work to restore some service over there. It was, I've never been over at a substation when it was completely dark and we turned the circuits back on, and it just gave me chills to hear that noise come back up and knowing that we were restoring such an essential service for you all. So I just wanted to let you know that we are working as best as we can to get you back up. We are still waiting on Duke Energy to restore service to their transmission lines that feed some of Greer CPW's substations. Just as soon as we can get that back up, we are going to restore service to you all. So that is where we stand. Our crews are going to be working around the clock. We have an additional set of crews that are going to be working throughout the night around 2 a.m. They're going to be coming in for us again. We're also working to bring in some additional outside resources from the North Carolina area who didn't get hit as hard as us, to help us with some of the multiple trees that are down. If you saw any of my photos that I've been sharing throughout the day, you know that we have a lot of trees down. And so if you are still without power, we have about 10,000 as of this video. You may remember my last video, I reported that we had about 23,000. So we've made some progress, which is great news. But if you're one of the 10,000, please hang tight. Prepare for some extended restoration times. That means possibly a day to a day and a half before your service is restored. Please be patient with us. Appreciate so much your kind words and your support on these videos. Our crews love to see it. I love sharing it with them. But I just wanted to tell you all, and I know that as this lingers on, you're going to get impatient a little bit, but please know that as a public power utility, our crews live and work here. I have heard so many stories today about crews whose homes are damaged, whose homes are without power. My home included has no power, and I'm getting ready to go home there. But, you know, just please have some patience for us a little bit if you're one of those 10,000, and know that we are working as quickly as we can. As I said, I just wrapped up some time off of Suba Road and talked to one of our tree trimmers. He said he's worked a lot of hurricanes, a lot of tropical storms, and this ranks probably top 5 for him of what he's having to deal with out there. So we are working. I promise you that we are. And the best resource is going to be our website. We have it pinned at the top of our website. We're going to be monitoring and updating that as the service is restored. So thanks again, guys, for your patience. We appreciate you, and hope that you all stay safe. Please continue to stay off the roads. It was very dangerous. There are several dark places as I was driving on the road, and our crews are out, and so please be aware that they're going to be out on the side of the road throughout the night. Thanks, guys.